Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to connect to the MongoDB using the TypeORM, TypeScript and the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to install the MongoDB. So let's install this npm I MongoDB. Okay, after the installation, let's create the post entity. So this is the entity that we have to create or update. We have the post entity, right? So let's add this. Okay, index have some issues. Let's comment the code over there. So this we don't require right now, and this we also don't need it right now. Okay, let's remove it. Let's delete this, and let's close this like this. Okay, otherwise we can also remove this, but we call. Okay, let's connect to that one. So here we have the post id with object id, title, text and the likes and the counts, right? So now we have the post entity we have to add, and this is our MongoDB code. So let's copy and paste this code. Okay, and let's comment the previous one. Okay, let's add this, and here you can see MongoDB database. Any database you can add, logging, query and the error. Okay, entities post. Okay, so here we have initialized that if the data source initialized, then connected to the MongoDB, then we get the repository post, and here we are going to add a post. Okay, and we will check that this is working or not. In the post.ts, there is something went wrong. What? Object ID. TypeORM has no object ID to determine object ID. Okay, so quick fix. If it is there, then update this. Okay, let's run npm run dev. Wow, it's now connected to the MongoDB. New post has been saved. Let's go and check. Okay, so here we have the RoboMongo. Let's connect test. Okay, it's connected. The database already created. That means collections is already there. All everything is there. Now we have a post. Let's refresh it. We have a post. Here the data is inserted. Okay, introduction, this one which we have written into our index.ts file. Okay, so this is that one. Okay, so this is how we can connect to the MongoDB with the TypeORM, TypeScript, Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.